Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have not posted in a while. My avatar is currently changed, but we're going to play Murder Mystery 2 today. I have really not played this in a while. I am a huge fan of the game, and also, yeah, so I just thought we could play it for a change, maybe. I've never really played it a lot, but, yeah. I just thought maybe it would be a nice change with the news, like a new setting. Oh, whoa! Alright, freaking beast. Okay, well, can I just close that? There should be a button right here to close it. Where is it? Maybe there isn't a button. I'm just gonna turn on the radio that only I can hear. Actually, I'm not even gonna turn it on because I feel as if you can hear it, and then I get like sad. Oh God, this lady seems sus. Oh God, she just killed? No one's dead here. Stop fireflying. Oh, she has a mask on. I hear music this way. I shouldn't go near it, should I? Ugh, Sugar Rush music. Where are these deaths happening? I'm hearing death everywhere. Not good, not good, not good. No! No, that lady's dead. Oh, God! Oh, crap. Well, there you go. I'd like to think you... No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, so we are loading the map. I'm not sure which map it is going to be, but I have a slight idea of maybe what it might be. I am really not sure, but never know. Okay, so it's obviously the research lab, as you can tell from here. But oh, by the way, I'm pretty sure this is a new update. This and whatever this is. Can we go in this? Whoa! Go pretend like you're in this. Can I exit? Ah, there we go. What's back here? I can just like lie down in this. And then when the murderer comes in, I just go yeet. I'm stuck in one. Oh, it seems as if the guy broke out and he's in here. That's not good. I'm gonna get away from that because I don't want to get eaten. But I hear music. It's from this way. What is happening? What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, what? Well, whoa, GG. Oh, I'm on caps lock. Oh man, so loud. You guys cannot even hear a thing. Someone used a blaster. Godly weapon. Godly weapon. Let's see if I have any godly weapons. I only have the Overseer. The two legendary weapons, Splash and Overseer. I traded everything. Okay. For not good things. But I have a pretty rare one. Present. Oh, 2017. First chapter. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at me. I look so creepy. Oh my Morty. I have the devil. The creepy geometry dash thing. And oh, I murdered. Let's murder something. And honestly, guys, when I kill someone, you're not even gonna hear anything, and I won't either, because I have the ninja thing, so it should just not even make a sound. But who should I pick off of the group first? Maybe this thing, this creature of some sort. Oh, God. You're dead? You're dead. They don't even know. Who's gonna be? We're just gonna walk casually around here and throw the knife. And hit that dude. Oh, that lady has it. Oh, God. She's got her coffee out. Throw. Throw. Oh, crap. How? Oh! They were shooting behind. Dude! How? What? Oh my god. That's weird. I didn't even notice that guy. I didn't. I really didn't. I didn't even notice him. A split second. Wow. I'm dumb. Okay. I didn't even really get to kill the whole group. I only killed about half of them. Which is not enough. Just not enough. Because these military base, I don't want that. Oh, and we got military base. Okay. Well, see you next time. Well, never mind. Okay, let's just walk out of here. And now we are back here. And I'm innocent, God. Oh, dang it. Okay, let's go up here. This guy's the murderer, I'm telling you that. He's AFK. If no deaths happen, she's a... That person must be murderer. Yeah. Stay. I'm just running away. Just run. I'm so stupid. Okay, I'm just gonna take that, and take that, and take that. I'm just going for an all-out coin hunt. And then I have elite. I have 50 coin bag instead of 40. Oh, God! That guy over there, that's him. I'm telling you. He took out the knife instead of that thing. He's down here. I see him. He's running. That's him. Oh, who's this guy? Looking good. Hey, wait a minute. We look kind of similar. You know why? We both have the same glasses. Okay. Wait, what does this shirt say? Ooh. Okay. Well, let's just head in here. Okay. Oh, goodness. Is there a gunfight? There's a gunfight happening over here. I hope the sheriff dies. Yes! The sheriff shot the wrong person. I want to get that gun. I want to get that gun. Get that gun. Get that gun. Come on, lady. Come on. It hurt. Come on. Oh, the sheriff didn't even come. Oh, crap. Ew. The AK guy. The AK. AK-47. Okay. GG. Good game, people. Okay. Well, now I got away with 40 coins. Neat. Okay, let's go get. Okay, let's see in the shop. I have 580. Let's see if I can buy an effect. Shop. Effects. Okay. Well, I can obviously not buy one of these. They're too expensive, you know. Weapons? Nope. Radios? Pets, maybe. Oh, 1,000 coins for a freaking pet. Pets normally cost like $400. Stupid. This game is rigged. Wait, watch this. I'm gonna get electrocuted. 3, 2, 1. Oh! I got electrocuted and I'm dead. So bright. I'm innocent. Innocentante. Innocent contact. Why is this a crap? Oh my god, so laggy. Probably because I have this video software. And this was an old Windows 7 transformed to Windows 10. I'm totally not lying. But, oh wait, I wonder who killed that person down there. Obviously not that guy. I'm just running. Whoa, he just killed someone. I'm pretty sure of that. He killed the AFK person. Is he coming? Ah, he's coming! He's coming! He's coming! Run, dude. Legit, run! 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 Oh, bro! This is mad. Ah! Oh, come on. Oh, crap. Well, should that be the end of the video? Should it be? Should it be the end of the video? I don't think so. What we can do now is, actually a 10-minute video is probably, like, good enough. I'm not sure. Okay, well, on that note, I would like to thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Well, yeah, boy, 1996. Yeah, boy. Well, actually, I want to try and craft some. Let's see here. Materials. I'm gonna put something down. Can I like craft it? Or yes. Wait, hate this thing. Well, we're just gonna go ahead and press confirm. See what I get? Nothing. Well, I will see you all in the next video. On that note, I would like to thank you all so much. Okay, goodbye!